Planning. Introduction. Business is an economic activity which has the motive of earning profit. Business enterprise has to collect complete information of various activities to be performed well in advance and consider matters like who will do what type of work, how, when, and to what extent. Thus, planning is forecasting the future in present. Planning is a universal process, whether it is a battlefield, a playground, a business unit, a political institute, a religious institute, or a social institute. Planning is required in every field. Every organization, as a part of its life circle, constantly engages in the four essential functions of management: planning, organizing, direction, and controlling. The foremost of this planning, it is the part of management concerned with creating procedures, rules, and guidelines for achieving a stated objectives. All other managerial functions must be planned if they are to be effective. Managers at all levels engage in planning as objectives and a goal have to be set up for day-to-day activities as well as broader long-term initiatives. Planning is the most basic of all managerial functions, which involves establishing goals, setting out of objectives, and defining the methods by which these goals and objectives are to be attained. It is therefore a rational approach to achieving pre-selected objectives. Concept of planning. Planning is to collect information for the activities to be undertaken in business, consider them in advance and plan out how to do these activities. Planning is the process of thinking about the activities required to achieve a desired goal. It is the first and foremost activity to achieve a desired result or goals. It involves the creation and maintenance of a plan, such a psychological aspect that need conceptual skills. Planning is also a management process concerned with defining goals for a company's future direction and determining the missions and resources to achieve those targets. To meet objectives, managers may develop plans such as a business plan or a marketing plan. Planning is based on the theory of thinking before acting. Planning is an integral part of our life. We make plans in each and every step of life, whether it to be go to school or to buy household goods during shopping. We make plans according to the limitations of our budget and resources to get maximum satisfaction and to fulfill goals from our activities. Planning is a primary functional managerial activity that involves defining the organization's goal, establishing an overall strategy for achieving these goals, developing a comprehensive set of plans to integrate and coordinate organizational works. Planning is nothing but thinking before the action takes place. It helps us to take a peep into the future and decide in advance the way to deal with the situations which we are going to encounter in future. It involves logical thinking and rational decision making. Definition of planning. Many experts given definition about planning. According to Bill Gates, task of planning is choosing. According to George Terry, function of planning means assumptions for result, policy to follow function, stages and to decide the method to be followed. According to Coons and O'Donnell, planning is deciding in advance what is to be done. When a manager plans, he projects a course of action and basing of decisions on purpose, knowledge, and considered estimates. According to Louis A. Allen, a plan is a trap laid to capture the future. According to W. H. Newman, planning is deciding in advance what is to be done. Planning is an intellectual process to achieve a goal. Planning is the fundamental management function which involves deciding beforehand what is to be done, when is to be done, how is to be done, and who is going to do it. It is an intellectual process which lays down an organization's objectives and develops various courses of action by which the organization can achieve those objectives. It chalks out exactly how to attain a specific goal.